people, all your posts should be PREWED. Promotions? Not just of promotions means everything. I mean, if your upline is going to ALS or you are going to ALS, those pictures should be there. We put pictures mostly that give a message. I posted a picture with my cousin Shankar, he's in the auditorium now, and me in Mumbai domestic business lounge. Bachpan mein we used to throw mango seeds at cars, ambassadors mein. Balcony se, mere chambur mein se, you have to figure out the trajectory and the projectile and all that, you know. So the car is coming your speed and the mango seed, dong, sar pe girta tha, car gaadi ke upar. And then we used to hide in the bathroom. But now we are changing lives. We are spreading the dream. So it has a message there, you know. I can't believe, it just feels like yesterday when I was, you know, throwing mango stay. So those create something, it's a message. Not just, you know, there's a new toothpaste size, you know what I'm saying? Promotion, recognition, recognizing people. I see that. Somebody reached 9%, somebody reached, I see that. Okay. 3, edification. I don't see much of that. I would like to see more of that. This is building people up. Building up line up, building down line up, building cross line up. Edification. W, welcoming new people. Okay. E, excitement. I would like to see more of that. Excitement and energy. What is D? PREWED. What is D? Dreams. I don't see a whole lot of that. I don't see a whole lot of that. Whereas when I do it, mostly it's some dream message. Something that makes people feel the pull. See, this is where you have to understand that you need to feel, you need to create the pull and people need to feel the pull. People have faith in you if you have faith in somebody else. People don't have faith in people with just technical knowledge. People have faith in people who have faith in other people. Our whole business is pull. Kanti feels the pull for Bill, we feel the Manipal and I feel the pull for Manipal and Kanti. My team feels the pull for me. I'm saying me, but it's the ladies also, right? This creating the pull is extremely important. We do everything together, unified, but that love, you know, it's like spending time with upline, you know, building multiple relationships, learning how to resolve conflicts. When people come and I don't get a lot of complaints because when people come and complain to me, I ask to bolta hai. Somebody comes and says, my upline did this and to me, you know, I'm very upset. I say 2 things, okay. First question I ask is this the only reason you're not an eagle? Second question is what if your upline doesn't change? I'll talk to him, but what if he doesn't change? Are you going to quit? The answer is no to both. We are good, just keep going eagle. Okay? But even before you get to that, when you're doing pins, pulses and pockets, right guys, I don't know if you're doing whatever I'm talking about, is that diving depth is an art. Okay? Driving depth is how you build an asset, something that will last long. Okay? You have to know how to do it. In the beginning, when you're driving depth, like while you're identifying your pins and pulses and pockets, you are looking to serve people, you're looking to do things that other people cannot do or not willing or able to do. For example, if you have sponsored A and A has sponsored B and B has sponsored C, C has sponsored D, and you are doing, and D is excited about a house meeting, and so question is who does the house meeting? See, many of you think that your secret is in big team meetings. If you or your upline thinks that, that's very sad. Okay, if all you do is, see, big team meetings have a problem inherently. Because it's big, you can't identify new leaders. You cannot create new teachers. It's the same dog and pony show. Am I interested in developing upline leaders, crossline leaders or downline leaders? Downline leaders. So why, instead of inviting some crossline every time, I will break down my meeting. I do not have, we only at big functions we have thousands of people together. Otherwise, I'm going to working my business in Mumbai this coming week. I am doing meetings, I'm doing one open meeting, maybe 150 people, I hope so, okay. And I'm going to 4 houses, small meetings. Many of you have stopped doing that. You have become Don. You show up at the meeting like a boss. Aadhe is taraf jao, aadhe us taraf jao. It is not going to work. You're missing the whole point. If you have big meetings and you're running something like a BBS, you're missing the point because you will never create leaders in your own group. If I have so many people, I'll take them to BBS, but I'll break it down everywhere else. I'll take it to, if it is 800 people, I'll do 100 people team meetings. Or 50 people. Better yet, even better than that, is if I can go and do a kabaddi in somebody's house for 5 people. That's how you develop leaders. You create new teachers. Not by sitting as a boss and doing big team meetings. No wonder a lot of people haven't grown. Because I don't want to do huge, I don't want to do a team meeting that looks like a BBS or a function. That is just about the stupidest thing I can do because I am not developing any leaders. How will I increase the number of teachers on stage if I have 5,000 people all the time? Right? My goal is to create leaders. So when you are doing this, first of all, at the very basic level, okay, if A and D is getting started, now somebody has to do product demos for D, yes? Yes? Let's say that A is not a person, but B is very good at demos. So when we go to D's house, I am going to take B with me. I may not take everybody with me because I don't want it to look like invasion, you know. Right? So I am going to take B, I'll have an understanding with everybody, I'm not bypassing anybody, okay. But let's say that nobody here is showing the plan. A doesn't want to show the plan, B doesn't want to show the plan, C doesn't want. Who is going to show the plan is D's house? Who? I will. But if A is a good plan shower, guess who's going to do that? A. See, this is depth. Constant involvement, creating leaders, looking for somebody. I am fantastic at handing the baton to somebody else. I am excellent at that. I don't want to do everything. I don't want to be the big shot on stage all the time. I am not interested in that. If I find a leader, if you are a leader, personally mentored by me, you are a pleasure to work with, and I am the biggest blessing you have in your life because I know exactly what not to do, not what to do, what not to do with you. I know exactly to let you how to make mistakes. Most of our legs, I have done 1 or 2 plans, okay, after I found a leader. Sometimes many plans before I found a leader. 1 or 2 plans after I found a leader. We just broke a personal emerald leg in a market that's 60 years old. By the way, A60 is only North American market. Right? If we are only like A19, right? Okay. But I'm saying that 60 years later, we broke a personal emerald in February, new emerald. You know how many plans I have shown for him? 1. Ask me how many cover dishes I have done for him. 50. I don't know how many small meetings I have met with people in the group. Do you understand? That's the real business, boss. Real business is not big shot team meetings, big shot open meetings. Who's hosting? I wanted to host, I don't mind hosting, but that is not my favorite thing. My job is only one thing, is to build my business to crown ambassadorship. If I get other responsibilities, that gratefully I'll take it. But I don't want to specialize in it. If I have to run an open, I'll run it. But I'm not going to fight like crazy to, be a host and not grow. Do you understand? The goal is to grow the business, man. Nothing else matters. Look at Dr. Bridge. He doesn't care if he's host of BBS, welcome speaker, rapper. He doesn't give a flip. He's adding people. He can beat everybody else in check amount. You know what I'm saying? Okay. So, but you're filling in the gap, and we say you show the plan down, but you train up. So what you're doing is, hey, when clusters start to form, when D is the person that starts doing PASST and D has got 4 or 5 people, I want to do a meeting for D because he's got 3-4 legs coming on, and I want to edify D and start to develop them as a leader and start to groom them as a leader and start to push them towards my upline. You know how I know you're growing? It's like Sunny and Anita. They always have new people in Delhi. That's one couple that is regularly counseling with me, and they are seeing growth. There is no question about it. Not because I'm a genius, because I am aligned with the Brit worldwide system, and I'm not saying anything profound. It is just both minds meeting. That's all it is. They know how to build the business, but they always have new people at the because counseling is not really good if you don't have new people. When you come to the airport, sometimes different countries I go to, they are not even talking about new people. When as a country mentor, sometimes I was mentoring Malaysia and all that, right? Southeast Asia countries, and you go to groups that are not even really Brit or newly Brit or something like that. You know, they just joined Brit Worldwide for the education system. And you go there and you see that nobody has any new people. They're always complaining about something. This has to improve, that has to improve. But they're not introducing new people to you. That is the first mark that you're growing the business. You see, introducing new people to your upline, you're creating an environment where that new person is feeling recognized. You are learning the tools because somebody else is not learning the tools. If somebody else is learning the tools, you don't have to learn the tools. Do you understand what I'm saying? Okay, man, whatever they are not doing, you do. And as they start developing width, you start building leadership. Most of the time, you should be in homes and living rooms and dens. You should not be managing like a godfather at an open meeting. You know, some people show up at this thing, kitne aadmi laaye. You know, it doesn't work like that, boss. Okay? You want to grow this business, you have small meetings where you're creating leaders. You have, my best meetings are cover dishes. I am not going to surrender. Brit Worldwide is the line producer, they're doing everything for me. But I'm not going to just leave my life up to their tool desk at the open meeting. I'll have my own bunch of tools. My own demo kit, my own products, not my uplines. Because wherever I go, I'll display it. If I'm doing a cover dish in your house, you're just a fledgling, you're starting to develop 3-4 people in your team. I'll come to your house, I'll tell you, do you have a table and area to put this stuff? I'll lay out the CDs and books. If it's a training, not an open meeting, not a plan. If it's a cover dish, like a training session where I'm building you as a leader, I'm telling your group, so and so, what's your name? मैं बोलूँगा Brijesh and Bhavna are going 9% this month. Let's pull it together. वो खुद नहीं बोल सकता ना group को. And they are seeing the connection, they are seeing the pull, they are seeing the, the camaraderie, the friendship. But I will have tools and books and products, they are displayed. I'm not going to say कि Brit वाला नहीं आया तो tool नहीं होगा. It's my business, man. I am going to keep a stock of tools in my hand. Because I can't run at the last minute to Brit office. And I can't wait for the next BBS. I will buy my tools. I'll always keep it stocked. I don't need a lot. I just need some key CDs that I know work for me. And if you know which CD to give to which person, 80% of your problem is gone in depth.